adoptions, wills and trusts, real estate transactions. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's time for you to pass the notary test and make money. In this video, I'm going to give you the top 10 notary transactions that occur, and this means there are 10 different ways, 10 or more ways for you to get paid as a notary, right? And here are the top 10 transactions, just so you know there are many, many, many ways to get paid as a notary or a loan signing agent. One of the first ways, which is on the test, by the way, so know this. One of the first ways is called an acknowledgement. And what is an acknowledgement? Acknowledgement is used to verify the identity of the signer and ensure that they are signing what? Voluntarily. This is commonly required for deeds, contracts, and legal documents. So you're going to want to know what an acknowledgement is for the test, and you're going to want to know that, hey, when you do an acknowledgement, you're going to get paid as a notary. All right, the second one, common one, is a jurat. A jurat is a notary's certification of a sworn oath. I'm holding my hand up so that you remember. Sworn oath or affirmation where the signer swears and affirms that the contents are true before signing. So who's doing this oath? You? No, your client. They're swearing to that everything is true. You're making sure they are who they say they are and watching them sign. Okay. Number three, most common one you get paid for, copy certifications. Sometimes, blah, blah, blah. Copy certifications. A notary can certify that the copy of a document is true and an exact replica of the original. This is often used for important personal legal documents. This changes from state to state. Okay, so depending on the state, they may allow you to certify to be the person to notarize copies of certifications. This one's a big one in California, big in New York. This next one, big in Texas, big in Arizona. It's called loan signings. This is what people call when you're a loan signing agent, right? And this might take 20 signatures, 10, 20 signatures, and you're getting what? Paid each signature. In California, it's $15 per signature. Multiply 15 times 20 and see how much cash that is for you at one event. So number five is loan signings. All right. Now this is special offer time. Special offer time. Leave me a comment and click that link that says buy me a cup of coffee. And when I see both of those, I'm going to make a special challenge test for you and your state. So let me clean that up and move on. If I see that you bought Mr. Rogers a cup of coffee and you leave a comment telling me what you would like, I will make a special challenge test for your state. I don't care if it's New York. I don't care if it's New Jersey. I don't care if it's Arizona. I see you've done it. Boom. I'm going to do it for you, okay? Number six, wills and trust. You will be needed to notarize wills and trusts, ensuring that the documents are properly executed and the signers are signing of their own free will. That's a big deal because if somebody's being coerced to sign a will or a trust, you might be the eyes and ears of that event. Number seven, most common, real estate documents. We talked about loan signings, but this could include deeds, power of attorney, and any other related transaction that requires a notary. You probably will have to, they're not going to come to you. You're going to get on the road and go to them most likely, and you could get paid for travel expenses too. All right. Number eight, power of attorney. That means, well, you know what power of attorney is, and you must verify the identities of all involved parties. Number nine, healthcare directives. A small example of that: husband, wife, mom or dad, whoever gets sick, there needs to be something on file saying who is going to make those decisions if everything goes wrong and that person's in the hospital. That's a health, and that's a healthcare directive. So that, depending on the state, might need to be notarized. Thus, an opportunity for you to make some money. And number 10, adoptions. I never even thought of that before I looked this information up for you guys. Notaries are often required to notarize adoption papers to ensure that all legal formalities are followed and the signatures are legal, etc. All right. Now, if you found this helpful, don't forget to support the channel. If you want your own personalized challenge test for your state, comment, tell me the state, buy me a cup of coffee. I got you taken care of. All right. Look out for the next video. I'm going to drop some more heat, some more action. And if you need to learn how to pass the test fast, look in the description and pick your state so we can you can see how to do it. All right. This is Sean. I'll see you on the next one.